म्हापशेच्या नासनोडकर ज्वेलर्स दुकानात सोमारा फातोर्डेर 12 ते 1च्या सुमाराक चोरी जाल्ली। चोरांनी दुकान फोडून लाखांनी रुपयाचे भांगर फारायले। म्हापशे पुलीस ह्या प्रकरणाचो तपास करताले। म्हापशे पुलिशेन बिरेस्तारा राजस्थानच्या ह्या 4 जाणांच्या टोळेक अजमेरच्यान अटक केल्ली। अटक केल्ल्या मदीं 2 जाण अल्पवयीन आशिल्ल्याचें कळटा। तशेंच ह्या दुबाविता कडल्यान 1 किलो भांगर आणि 12 किलो चांदीचे अलंकार जप्त केल्यात।
That the team of Mapusa police station has successfully apprehended an interstate burglary gang that was responsible for committing a major theft in a jewelry shop in Mapusa market. When we started scanning through the CCTV cameras, we discovered that on Saturday night this gang had made an attempt at the same shop. We took out all the CCTV footage which was available. This footage ran into hours. All that footage was then divided among the very able staff of Mapusa police station, and a search began for these suspects. We were able to see in the CCTV footage that there were 3 boys or men who had committed this act, and they had completely covered their faces. The Mapusa police station staff came to us and said that the descriptions which we are seeing in these CCTV footage match with 2 persons they had stopped at around 3 a.m. near Mapusa police station because they had found them in a slightly suspicious position. They had clicked their photographs. The identity of the thieves, at least their physical identity, became very apparent. The clothes of these suspects matched with the photographs which our staff had clicked. We started looking at all the roads which led to the shop and all the exit points which came out from the Mapusa market. Able to find a CCTV footage at Thivim railway station where we could see these suspects boarding a train. As soon as this information was available, we alerted the Konkan Railways. We were in touch with senior officers of Konkan Railway and of the Railway Protection Police Force. These suspects' photographs were shared with these officers. They then flashed these photographs on all the trains which were moving out of Goa, and because we had certain local information that these persons could have been from areas around Maharashtra, Gujarat or Rajasthan, therefore the 3 teams were also dispatched to Mumbai, to Gujarat and to Rajasthan. We have arrested 4 persons till now. Their details are: 1, Mr. Harji Chauhan. He is a resident of Bewar, which is a district adjacent to Ajmer. He is 26 years old. Another person who has been arrested is one Mr. Bhavani Singh, who is 18 years old. He is also a resident of that same district. And we have also arrested or apprehended 2 CCLs. Their age is less than 18 years, that we have been able to recover almost all the stolen property. ये केस के अंदर CCTV तो इम्पोर्टेंट रहा, लेकिन इस केस को क्रैक किया गया है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इफेक्टिव नाइट पेट्रोलिंग। हमारे क्योंकि सीसीटीवी के अंदर तो मुंह छुपा हुआ आया, लेकिन हमारे अलर्ट स्टाफ ने जो फोटो लिया उसके अंदर हमें इनका एग्जैक्ट चेहरा मिल गया।